How does a charge controller affect your solar system? If you have done your solar system, or maybe you want to do your solar system, amongst your quotations, you must see a charge controller. So today we are going to be talking about how the charge controller affects your solar system. So basically, a charge controller is a device that regulates the charging of the batteries. Yeah, it regulates the charging of the batteries so that it does not overcharge and it does not undercharge. So that is the work of a charge controller. Normally, your panels are supposed to be connected directly to your batteries to charge your batteries, but it passes through a charge controller so that it will regulate the charging of the battery so that it does not overcharge and undercharge. So the two types of charge controllers, there may be more, but there are two main types, which is the PWM, pulse width modulation charge controller, and the MPPT, maximum power point tracking charge controller. The PWM charge controller and the MPPT charge controller. The MPPT charge controller is designed to drag the maximum current and charging voltage from the panels to charge the battery, unlike the PWM, which operates in a different function, making the MPPT more reliable and more efficient than the PWM. Statistics shows that the MPPT is about 90 to 95% efficient, which is if your panel is 300 watts, it will drag about 200 and something watts, almost 300 watts. Meanwhile, the PWM is about 70 to 75% efficient. Also to add, the MPPT is more costlier than the PWM. So if you ask me what's my suggestion, if you are trying to manage money, you don't really want, you just want to go off grid because of the way NEPA is doing in your area, then you can go for the PWM. But if you want a full-fledged solar, you want it to serve, then you must be ready to spend money to go for an MPPT charge controller. Now, the last we are going to be talking about is ways to protect it. How can you protect your solar charge controller? This is for installers now. When you are connecting your charge controller, don't connect your panels first. Connect your battery, because in the charge controller there are 4 ports. You have 2 ports in 2 places. You have the panels and then you have the batteries. So the panels will come to the first port, then the batteries will go to the second port. So it will receive from the panels and send to the batteries. So if you connect your panels and you've not connected your battery, when high amperage come from the panels, it will kill the charge controller. So what you are supposed to do is to connect to your batteries first. By the time you've connected your batteries, then you now connect your panels, so that when high amperage come, instead of it to kill the charge controller, it will pass the charge controller to charge the batteries. So I believe that's all for today. Now there I talk Risho. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to be talking about inverters, the types, the uses, because there are different types. The one that is going to be best for you, depending on your load, is what we are going to be talking about tomorrow. See you tomorrow.